In this video, I'd like to show you a nice functionality from Microsoft Excel that allows you to plot your data into a beautiful map, such as I have over here. And this is very useful for reports, for presentations, or in general, if you want to impress your peers. This is a map where I am plotting the population in millions from the top 10 countries with the most population from Europe. And as you can see, it shows me all of this data with this beautiful chart. And the way I was able to create it, we're going to go to the second example that I have. Simply select the data, go to insert, and from maps, just select the map. And just like that, I'm able to see again nice data plotted for an entire country. This is the median salary per state in the United States. So over here, we were plotting countries from a single continent. Over here, we have states from a single country. I have more examples. With this one, we will be able to create a map of the entire world where we are seeing the countries with the most population from each continent. And on the last example, we will see the top cities by estimated number of pizza restaurants from Italy. See which one works best for you. It's important to note that this works only if you have data that's being plotted by country, by state, and by city. So it won't work if you are just having continents or if you're having mixed up data. So if you have some scenario like I have over here, you can use this beautiful chart functionality and you will be able to better showcase your data. This is how to do it. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the video and subscribe for more videos like this one.